Hello guys, today we are going to talk about different types of logistics.
1. Inbound logistics. Inbound logistics refers to the internal logistics tasks and activities that businesses need to complete in order to operate. Inbound logistics usually refers to the logistical operations of companies that operate fairly upstream, B2B. For example, a car manufacturer. The manufacturer's inbound logistics would entail the sourcing of raw material inputs, sheet metal, glass, wiring, plastics, etc., how to store the materials in preparation for and during the assembly process, and how to manage the flow of manufactured automobiles that leave the factory. 2. Outbound logistics. Outbound logistics refers to the tasks and activities involved with moving the product to the end user. Such logistic duties usually apply to players that operate relatively downstream, which are usually the last party in the supply chain. Going back to the auto manufacturer example, the parties involved with the outbound logistics of that supply chain would be the wholesalers and dealers. The factory operations would be in charge of assuring that the right amount of ordered inventory arrives at the dealer at a given time. In turn, the dealer would be in charge of coordinating the storage and upkeep of the vehicles on its lots, as well as the shipping and handling of vehicles that are ordered by customers that live in faraway areas. 3. Third-party logistics mean that a third-party business is used to outsource logistic services. These services can include all activities that involve management and the various ways an enterprise moves resources from one location to another. These logistic services can include operations, transportation, warehousing, production, and much more. Third-party logistic contractors are indispensable to many businesses, with 80% of Fortune 500 companies using third-party logistics contractors. 4. Fourth-party logistics. A 4PTA Leaders is a fourth-party logistics provider, and it essentially takes third-party logistics a step further by managing resources, technology, infrastructure, and even manage external 3PLs to design, build and provide supply chain solutions for businesses. 4PTA Leaders services typically encompass 3PTA Leaders services as well as logistics strategy, analytics including transportation spend, analysis, capacity utilization, and carrier performance, freight sourcing strategies, network analysis and design, consultancy, business planning, change management, project management, control tower and network management services, coordinating a wide supplier base across many modes and geographies, inventory planning and management, inbound, outbound and reverse logistics management. 5. Distribution logistics. Distribution logistics, also known as transport logistics or sales logistics, is the link between production and the market. The area comprises all processes involved in the distribution of goods, from manufacturing companies to customers. Customers are either final customers, distributors or processors. 6. Reverse logistics. Reverse logistics of the sector of supply chains that process anything returning inwards through the supply chain or traveling backward through the supply chain. Hence the name reverse logistics. Thank you and see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.